Happy St. Patrick's Day. Today we're going to talk about one of the best survival crops, and it kind of ties in. It always cracks me up when people talk about survival gardening and then they show their lettuces. You'll see this is kind of a repeating theme with me. The idea that you're going to grow a bunch of lettuce and live on it is just hilarious. Yeah, you know, during the pandemic we got into gardening. We planted a lot of lettuce. We had some kale, some carrots, and a couple of hot pepper plants. You're gonna be hungry. You're gonna be really hungry. So one of the very best survival crops, if not the very best for adaptability and yield, is the potato. And I've heard people say, potatoes are so cheap, I don't want to grow them. And if you look at what are the favorite vegetables to grow in the garden in North America, you'll see that potatoes are not really high on that list. But they should be. And today we're going to talk about why. Potatoes are high in calories, and they taste good. You can boil them, mash them, put them in a stew, and they're fantastic. They actually fill you up. There's a reason that potatoes became one of the most widely distributed crops in the world in a very short period of time. Once they were discovered by European explorers and brought back to Europe, they just spread everywhere. They are quite adaptable to climates. They can produce a large amount in a small area. I mean, compared to grains and growing small grains, the amount of effort to grow potatoes and harvest them, prepare them, it's unbelievable how much more productive they are and how much less work it takes. Think about all the effort of growing wheat and then scything it down and then having to thresh it all out and grind it and make it into a flour, and then, I mean, you can pull potatoes out of the ground and roast them. That's it. It's really, really easy. And the amount they make for the space that they take up of calories is fantastic. So if you're not growing potatoes and you don't know how to grow potatoes and you have any kind of idea that you would like to have a survival garden or would want to feed yourself if things get worse, if we have more bank crashes, if the economy plummets in through the floor, potatoes are what you need to know how to grow. And you don't have to get real fancy about it. You don't have to have some special magic way of growing potatoes. You don't have to, put them in tires and then keep stacking tires up and mounding. You can do that, but you can also just plant potatoes in the ground and then mound up the soil over them and then harvest them when they're ready in about 90 days. 90 days! That means that you can grow potatoes in cold climates as well as warmer climates. It's not something you have to wait 120 days for, like some winter squash. It's not something that is really needing a lot of heat to grow. It can grow during the cool season. They can take a bit of frost. They can come back from that and survive and still give you a yield. It's super, super adaptable and very simple to grow, and it tastes good. That's why you need to grow potatoes. That's it. That's all I'm going to tell you. Potatoes are the crop you need to know how to grow, so learn how to grow them. And if you want to learn more about survival gardening, check out my book, Grow or Die, The Good Guide to Survival Gardening, where I am apt to praise the wonders of potatoes, perhaps at some length. Catch y'all next time. And until then, may your thumbs always be green. There's got to be a 4-leaf one here somewhere. 3. And we're going to get another freeze.